sure it's mine. All right, here you go, baby. Woo! Sweet.
There we are.
Oh my! Never wanted a car this bad in my life.
And let me put your congratulations sign on there, okay?
All right. Sweet. Woohoo!
Just let me submit the pictures.
First try, baby. Woo! How do you like me now?
You're an idiot. I was like yelling at you. Could have run the car. Andy, you could have run the motor.
All right, don't worry.
How did you get that?
Danu got it.
Oh, wow. Kuhin na gati.
Ah, di lagi.
Huh?
Di lagi.
You can see.
What do you see?
So cool.
Bobby, is it cute?
You can
No?
you can fit
Why not?
10 Joshes in there.
Oh my god.
You can fit 10 of yourself.
It's huge.
It's pure leather, and you can watch movies.